Meaning of drowsy.
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 Drowsy. The word drowsy means feeling sleepy or lethargic. It is the state of being between being fully awake and asleep. When someone is drowsy, they often feel tired, sluggish, and have difficulty staying focused. This state can be caused by a variety of factors such as lack of sleep, medication, or illness. Drowsiness can negatively impact one's ability to perform tasks safely and effectively, and can lead to accidents or mistakes. It is important to address the root cause of drowsiness in order to improve overall health and well-being.